people all over India celebrate Dussehra with great pomp and show. Dussehra is the festival of victory of over evil. It is believed that on this day Lord Ram killed Ravan and goddess Durga killed Mahishasur. But in current scenario, what is the actual meaning Ravan is? We will understand with the help of an act, so let's see it.
Guess what, Mom, Dad? Tomorrow is Dussehra and we have a holiday. And I helped the kids in our colony to make the biggest Ravan ever for this celebration. It's going to be epic. Yay! And we are going to the colony park to watch it burn. It's my favorite part of Dussehra. That sounds wonderful. You have both worked so hard. But do you remember what Dussehra is truly about? Yes, it's not just about watching Ravans burn. It's about remembering the lesson behind the festival. What the lesson we learned? It's when good wins over evil, like how Lord Rama defeated Ravan. But where's evil today? I mean, we don't have a real Ravan, do we? That's a very good question, Anaya. He also is not just someone like Ravan outside of us. Sometimes the things that harm us are hidden within us. Things like fear, anger, jealousy. And mental health plays a role in that. When we ignore how we feel or don't talk about what bothers us, it can grow. Just like how Ravan's arrogance led to his downfall. So you are saying that the evil we fight today is inside us? Exactly. That's why mental health is important. Just like Lord Ram fought Ravan, we need to face our own inner struggles and not let them control us. Morning! I love the fireworks.
Ha 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 ha! And you think burning me will end evil? Fools! Do you really know what you are doing?
We burn you because it's tradition. We enjoy it, that's why we do it.
Ha 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 ha! Enjoyment, tradition. Is that all you know? Tell me why do you celebrate Dussehra?
It's when good wins over evil.
And where is evil? In your society, you say. What is this society you speak of?
Society? Society is us. All of together make a society.
Exactly. So tell me, children, what evil lies within you?
What evil? We are just kids. You tell us what evil could we possibly have?
The evils that are harder to see. Let me show you. Fear, jealousy, stress, greed, stubbornness, ego, laziness, violence, anger. All these things block your mind and heart. These are the enemies you need to fight, not some paper effigy.
But we are good people. How can these things be evil?
These are the enemies within. Fear makes you doubt yourself. Anger makes you act without thinking. Jealousy poisons your heart. And stress weakens your mind. They stop you from growing and achieving your potential.
So, the real Dussehra is not just about burning you. It is about defeating these enemies inside us.
Exactly. You go to school to learn wisdom. But wisdom also means knowing yourself, understanding your mental battles, and overcoming them.
So, Dussehra it's also about mental health, about taking care of our minds as well as fighting outside evil.
Yes, child, if you can conquer your inner enemy, no outer enemy can harm you.
Did something happen at the park? Mom, Dad, we spoke to Ravan. He told us that the real enemies are inside us. Fear, anger, stress. It's like we have to defeat those to really celebrate Dashera. That's right. Those inner battles are just as important. And taking care of your mental health helps you stay strong in that fight. Mental health and well-being are the real tools to defeat your inner Ravan. We will remember that we won't just burn Ravan next year, we will keep fighting enemies inside us. Yes, the real battle is hidden and we are ready for it. That's the spirit. Always remember, Dashera is not just a festival, it is a reminder that good inside and out must always win.